Efecan, my friend Barış and Batuhan. We are here to represent our feedback project. Here you can see our design. Our design is made of Arduino motor drivers, and here we are using a spline and a motor pod for feedback and the arm. Here angle is on 19 degrees, and when we increase our KP value and with desired angle 0, you can see it reach its final destination. Cut! Again here it's on 19 degrees with desired angle 0, but in this time we will use a higher KP value, so it will be oscillate. As you can see, it's oscillate.
Step 3, part D, K value is 235, and we are now flicking the rod by hand. As you see, the desired angle 0 and the rod returns to the desired angle.
In step 5, we set KD equal to 1 and KP and KI equal to 0. As you can see, when we rotate the rod for a small angle, the motor doesn't respond, but when we change the angle fast, it goes unstable.
Here we are in step 6. We have calculated KP and KD values as you can see, and now we will try these values on our real experiment setup. Okay. As you can see, it's oscillate, it enters unstable state.
In step 7, we gave a little Ki value to the system. As you see, the settling time is increased. Step 9, Kp is 175 now. We observed that giving only Kp is enough for fastest response and minimum overshoot.